Part 3, Footprints Without Feet. Griffin, after leaving London, he came to Iping, and there he stayed in an inn. And Mrs. Hall was his lady, and she was very satisfied as far as he was giving her the advance. But naturally, his cash got over, his money got over, and now he committed a robbery in the clergyman's house. And now we'll see what happens further. Then, to his amazement, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. He and his wife looked under the desk, behind the curtains, and even up the chimney. And to the surprise of Mr. Clergyman and his wife, they found that the room was empty. They thought some robber has come in their house. They looked everywhere, but they could not find. There wasn't a sign of anybody. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. But they found that the desk had been opened and the money was not there. Extraordinary affair, the clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. Oh, clergyman, yahi kehte rahe, very extraordinary. What had happened? But it was not as extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. But it was not that extraordinary as what happened with Mrs. Hall afterwards, that we'll see. The landlord and his wife were very up very early and were surprised to see scientist's door wide open. और एक दिन मिसेस हॉल एंड हिज हर husband, they got up early and they were very surprised to see his door was open. Usually it was shut and locked, and he was furious if anyone entered his room. And he got furious means he got very angry if somebody entered his room without his permission. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. They peeped round the door, saw nobody, and decided to investigate. So they peered round the door. उन्होंने झाँक कर देखा. They saw there was nobody, and they decided to examine. The bedclothes were cold, showing that the scientist must have been up for some time. And stranger still, the clothes, the bandages that he always wore were lying about the room. And when they entered, they saw that he was not there, his clothes were there, and along with the bandages and the clothes. All of a sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. Not only this, एकदम से मिसेस हॉल के कान के पास एक स्निफ की आवाज़ आती है, ब्रीदिंग साउंड की. That is breathing from the nose, है ना, स्निफ करना, this sound. A moment later, the hat on the bedpost leapt up. और उसके बाद जो बेड पोस्ट पे, बेड के ऊपर जो हैट रखा हुआ था वो जंप करता है, एंड डैश्ड इट सेल्फ ऑन इन टू हर फेस. और जाकर इट हिट, डैश्ड मीन्स इट हिट ऑन हर फेस. देन द बेडरूम चेयर बिकेम अलाइव. उसके बाद बेडरूम की चेयर जो है वो उठ जाती है. जंपिंग इन टू द एयर, वो जंप करने लगती है एयर में. इट चार्ज स्ट्रेट एट हर लेग्स foremost, and it also hit at her legs. As she and her husband turned away in terror, the extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room, and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. And then दैट चेयर इट पुश देम आउट. वो चेयर उनके पीछे पीछे आती है, उनको बाहर धकेल देती है, और एकदम से स्मैश डोर जो है स्लैम शोर के साथ बंद होता है और वो बाहर हो जाते हैं. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs in hysterics. And Mrs. Hall, she almost fell down. She came running down like she was falling down. In hysterics, she was crying and shouting. She was convinced, she was sure, convinced means sure, that the room was haunted by spirits, that the room was visited by the spirits, black, some evil spirits, and that the stranger had somehow caused these to enter into her furniture. And she was convinced कि ये जो scientist है उसकी वजह से वो आई है. My poor mother used to sit in that chair, she moaned, and she cried in pain that her mother used to sit in that chair. To think it should rise up against me now. And she was crying कि कैसे उसी की मम्मी की चेयर उसके ऊपर आकर अटैक करती है. Now the feeling among the neighbors was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft, and all the neighbors, they said that all this trouble came because of the black magic, witchcraft. But witchcraft or not, when news of the burglary at the clergyman's home became known, the strange scientist was strongly suspected of having a hand in it. और जब जो है बर्गलरी रॉबरी क्लर्जीमैन के जो घर में हुई है उसके बारे में सबको पता लगता है, सो दे ऑल फील कि उसमें जो है ग्रिफिन का हाथ है. सस्पिशन ग्रू इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर, डाउट्स और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए when he suddenly produced some ready cash. When he brought the ready cash, though he had admitted not long before that he had no money, क्योंकि उसने थोड़े दिन पहले कहा था कि उसके पास पैसे नहीं है, और एकदम से कैश कहाँ से आ गया. Now the village constable was secretly sent for. Now they called the village constable. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty room. और Mrs. Hall ने scientist को बुलाया, who was secretly, mysteriously, जो empty room में से आ जाता है, कोई कहीं नहीं होता, and he at once came. I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs, she demanded. और उसने पूछा, I she wanted to know what you had been doing, he had been doing. And I want to know how it is you came out of the empty room and how you entered a locked room. और उसने कहा कि मुझे सिर्फ ये बताइए कि आप एम्प्टी रूम में से कैसे आ गए हो. नॉट ओनली दैट, हाउ यू एंटर द रूम. The scientist was always quick tempered. Now he became furious, and Griffin was always very short tempered. उसे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता था और अब वो एकदम से furious हो जाता है. You don't understand who or what I am, he shouted. Very well, I'll show you. Suddenly, he threw off bandages, whiskers, and spectacles, and even his nose. और एकदम से उसने अपनी bandages निकाली, अपनी whiskers निकाले, mustaches side की जो निकाली, spectacles सब और nose. It took him only a minute to do this. The horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. And those terrified people, वो डरे हुए लोग एकदम से, they were very surprised to see that he was a man without any head. मिस्टर जेफर्स द कांस्टेबल नाउ अराइव्ड. और इतने में मिस्टर जेफर्स जो कांस्टेबल हैं पुलिस, वो आ जाते हैं. एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो सरप्राइज टू फाइंड दैट ही हैड टू अरेस्ट अ मैन without a head. But Jeffers was not easily prevented from doing his duty. If a magistrate's warrant ordered a person's arrest, then that person had to be arrested with or without his head. But Mr. Jeffers भी बहुत dutiful आदमी थे. He knew अगर magistrate has ordered somebody's arrest, then that person has to be arrested whether he has head or not. Now there followed a remarkable scene as the policeman tried to get hold of a man who was becoming more and more invisible as he threw off one garment after another. Now a very remarkable scene, एक बड़ा spectacular scene बन जाता है. Policeman is trying to get a hold of a man. Policeman एक आदमी को पकड़ना चाहती है और वो man जो है वो invisible बनता जा रहा है. फाइनली ये शर्ट फ्लू इनटू द एयर. वो धीरे धीरे अपने कपड़े निकाल रहा है और अपनी शर्ट को हवा में फेंक देता है. एंड द कांस्टेबल फाउंड हिमसेल्फ स्ट्रगलिंग विद समवन ही कुड नॉट सी एट ऑल. और एकदम से कांस्टेबल एक ऐसे आदमी के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं जो वहाँ पर है ही नहीं. सम पीपल ट्राइड टू हेल्प हिम. कुछ लोगों ने उनको हेल्प करने की कोशिश की, बट फाउंड देमसेल्व्स हिट बाय ब्लोज दैट सीम टू कम फ्रॉम नोवेयर. एंड दे फाउंड दैट दे वर हिट बाय सम ब्लोज. ब्लोज मीन्स उनको कोई ब्लो कर रहा है, उनको कोई अटैक कर रहा है, बाय फिस्ट्स, मुक्के मार रहा है, और वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं दे डिड नॉट नो. In the end, Jeffers was knocked down unconscious as he made a last attempt to hold on to the unseen scientist. Or in that, Jeffers was knocked, he was thrown down by force, unconscious. He became senseless. वो एकदम बेहोश होकर नीचे गिर जाते हैं. There were nervous, excited cries of hold on, and all the people they became very nervous and they were shouting, "Hold on! Hold on!" means catch him. But this was easier said than done. But it was very very difficult. And Griffin had shaken himself free क्योंकि Griffin जो है अपने आप को free कर लेता है. And no one knew where to lay hands on him because he became totally invisible. और अब किसको पकड़े ये किसी को भी पता नहीं था. So this is the story of Griffin the scientist who made such a remarkable invention, the discovery that a person can become a invisible man. But alas, unfortunately, he misused his discovery. Thank you. This is all about in this chapter. I hope you understood. Thank you.